We strongly believe that copy trading is an opportunity to diversify our operation within the market. Of course, we are talking about a type of operation where we delegate our responsibility of the operation itself to a third-party trader.
Therefore, it's not absolutely risk-free. In this video, we'll understand how to use BingX, a centralized exchange which does not need KYC. This means that we can protect our privacy, and above all, we will have an overview on how to use this exchange and the copy trading section. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Gus. As we say in the intro, in this video we will have a general overview and see how to take advantage of the centralized exchange BingX by using the copy trading. But before going into details, as always, please support us by simply leaving a like and subscribe to our channel.
Perfect. We will start immediately with a general overview of BingX. So, BingX has been on the market since 2018, and as said before, there is no KYC, so it's aimed at attracting users who values privacy in their operations.
BingX is a platform that has more than 5 million users on the global market. It has recently started to interface in Europe like an irreputable exchange and has about $10 billion represented as a 24-hour trading volume, and there are over 350 cryptocurrency listed.
Something we want to make sure when using a new platform is to see whether we can trust it or not. As we can see, 100% of the reserves of their assets are audited by third-party authorities. This means that they are regulated.
So, they give us an added security regarding where our funds are in real time. In fact, we can see through the Merkle-free methodology where our assets are deposited with counter value.
Firstly, it is important to note that this exchange is not solely based on cryptocurrency, which is a plus. In my opinion, an exchange that only focuses on cryptocurrency, guys, is more exposed to volatility. So, if we can trade commodities and forex internally, this way the platform is less influenced by the market fluctuation. This is a very positive aspect.
Regarding the copy trading section, there are currently over 8,000 elite traders. We have the ability to choose and copy the strategies of more than 8,000 traders with over 3 million followers and a total of 130 million open orders within the platform.
Of course, there is more than just the copy trading section. We also have the ability to trade spot and futures with leverage up to 150. And be careful when using such high leverage, as we all know how that can end.
From the top menu, we can also download the BingX app available for iOS and Android. On this page, we can find global partners, including Chainlink, Consensus and Certic, among others in the cryptocurrency sector. There are numerous sign-up bonuses plus 10% discount bonus on trading fees for new users that sign up through our referral link.
As said, with BingX, we can operate in the spot market through the one-to-one purchase and sell of assets, and we can also operate on derivatives through standard option futures and perpetual futures.
There are grid bots that we can take advantage of through future and spot grids. But now we will guide you through the most important feature the platform offers. Let's click on copy trading. As we can see, there are two types of operations in the copy trading market: futures trading and spot grid trading. Let's take, for example, futures trading. As we can see, it lists the trend traders, meaning the traders who have performed better in the past 7 days.
But be careful, guys, because it is not guaranteed that the trader that performed well in the last 7 days will perform well in the future. Here we can see the conservative trader, where we have a lower risk profile with a long-term growth. This means that they aim to growth in the long term. In fact, we can see that they highlight 180 days of ROI.
Now we will choose a random trader and give you some tips. Then, something very interesting to see is the risk score. which ranges from 1 to 9, where 9 has very high risk trading and 1 very low risk but no risk free. We prefer to stay on the low risk score because personally I prefer always to stay on the safe side when investing in copy trading.
Here we can also see through the data overview that in the last 30 days this trader had 76% of return, which is a very interesting data. In the last 30 days, in practice, it has made 76% of the capital invested, and we are at 7,000 total earning. Here we can also find the copy profit, the total amount earned by the traders community. We have 200 people actively copying the trader, but let's see some interesting data, such as the win ratio, which means the percentage of winning trades compared to losing trades, and it's quite high at 87%.
Let's have a closer look at why the win ratio is so high. One thing I recommend checking is the average position, because a high win ratio probably means that they are now closing profitable trades and almost no losing ones. In fact, we can see through this 30 days graph that they have mostly only closed profitable trades. Let's check the current position to see what trade they currently have open.
It seems that they all in winning, at least from the previous page, but as we can see, this trader has many open trades with a large drawdown. They only close trades that are going in their favor and leave the ones that are going against the market open, which can eventually drain their account. So be very careful, guys. As we can see, he has a position in loss of 44%, mine 127, and this one at mine 218, and many others. So guys, be very careful and always check the current positions.
Take note, guys. You have to bear in mind that when we trade on the market, it's impossible not to make a mistake. So guys, a win rate so high should immediately set off the alarm and make us check other statistics.
So going back to the main page, we can see the average profit and the loss of the various positions closed by the trader. Unfortunately, it doesn't have very good numbers. As we can see, the average profit is about $15 and the average loss in this case is -60, with a loss of -83%, which means that when he closes operations in profit, it earns an average of $15. But then, when he closes them in loss, it loses approximately $60.
And we can see that the statistics are quite messed up. Of course, in the performance section, we can see how it has performed in the last 30 days, which in the case of this trader is a bit irrelevant. Here we can find the risk assessment and can be sorted by day, week or months. And below in the top trader section, we can see the cryptocurrency that he operates on. We can see that in these months he has opened 15 trades on these pairs.
In trade history, we can find all the closed trades, and as we can see, there are plenty positions closed in profit. In Copier, we can find all the people who copy him, but it doesn't take into consideration the losses of open position.
The most difficult thing about copy trading, generally speaking, is find the right trader with the right statistic, and especially traders who doesn't keep open position with an extreme drawdown. We highly recommend checking the current open position before copying a trader, once of course you have a general knowledge of copy trading. We intend to put a small part of our capital to operate through the copy trading on BingX. Once done so, we will make another video with updates and considerations.
Now let's see how to deposit. First of all, after you signed up with the link in the description, we need to move the mouse over the wallet section. Click on deposit and choose what we want to deposit. In this case, if you want to operate in the copy trading market but also in derivatives market, we recommend depositing USDT, which is a stablecoin that is basically taken as a counterpart value by all exchanges to operate in the market.
Here we can choose the network, and in this section we can choose to deposit through the QR code or the alphanumeric address that can copy and paste in the platform where we want to withdraw money from.
Then we can decide where to deposit our capital, if in fund account standard futures account, or perpetual future account. This of course depends on the type of copy trading that we want to do. If you want to operate in the future trades, you need to select a standard futures account and proceed.
If instead you wanted to buy a crypto, you can click on Buy Crypto, choose which currency you want to pay and which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Once done so, click on Trade Now and you'll be redirected to the payment page.
In this video we have seen a general overview and especially we have learned how to take advantage of copy trading on BingX. Remember to sign up through the link in the description so you can take advantage of the bonus at no cost, guys.
If you haven't yet, we ask you to support by simply leaving a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.